Evam me sutang ekam samayam bhagava savatyam virati jetavani anatha pindikasarame atago amyatara devata bhikkam kaya rattiya bhikkam tavanna kevala kappam jetavanan Bhasetva yena bhagavate upasamkamitva bhagavantam abhivadetva